So we will solve this question. So here the equation of the curves are given as y square equals to 4x and x square equals to 4y. So we should draw the approximate graphs of these functions. Let's say this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. So y square equals to 4x will be a parabolic curve which will pass through the origin, and it will be somewhat like this. This is the origin, and x square equals to 4y, the graph will be somewhat like this, which will pass through the origin also. So the equation of this graph is x square equals to 4y. We can write it as y equals to x square by 4, and this one is y square equals to 4x. So if we solve it, we will get y equals to plus minus 2 root x. Now the equation of this branch, which is on the positive y-axis, that is y equals to 2 root x, and that branch which is below the x-axis or towards the negative y-axis, that is y equals to minus 2 root x. So here we need to find out the area of this region, and we also have to find the point B, means we have to find the coordinates of the point B where the two curves are intersecting. So simply we have to solve this. Now from here we get y equals to x squared by 4. Now if we put this in place of y here, then we will get x power 4 by 16, that is equals to 4x. Okay. And then, so x power 4 will be equal to 64x. Now from here we can take this on the left hand side. That will be x power 4 minus 64x, that will be equal to 0. Then if we take x as common, that will be x times x cube minus 64, that will be equal to 0. So then x will be equal to 0 and x cube will be equal to 64. So x will be equal to 4. So it means at this point the exponent will be 4. Now if we put x equal to 4 here, then y will be also equal to 4. So it will be 4 comma 4. It means if we draw a straight line which is parallel to the y-axis and it is passing through the point B, the equation of that line will be x equal to 4. The equation of x and the equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. So from x equal to 0 to x equal to 4, we can see that 2 root x is greater than x square by 4. Now therefore the required area will be equal to integral 2 root x dx minus integral x power x square by 4 dx, and the limits will go from 0 to 4. Now that will be equal to 2 integral root x dx, and it will go from 0 to 4 minus 1 by 4 is constant, so it will come outside of the integral. Now x square dx go from 0 to 4. So that will be 2 times integral of x root x dx is x power half plus 1 by half plus 1, and we have to go from 0 to 4 minus 1 by 4, and this integral of x square is x cubed by 3. So that will go from 0 to 4. Now this will be equal to 2, and this 3 by 2, when it will come up, this will become 2 by 3 times this will be 4 power 3 by 2 minus 0 power 3 by 2, and minus 1 by 4 times 1 by 3, and this will become 4 power 3 minus 0 power 3. So this will be equal to 4 by 3 times, now square root of 4 is 2, 2 cube, that is 8, minus 1 by 12 times this will be 4 cube, so that is 64. So that will become 4 is a 12, 16, 64. So it is 32 by 3 minus 16 by 3. So the answer is 16 by 3 square units. So this is the final answer. Thank you.